Now coming to the question number 47, this is very easy question related to the conservation strategy. You know there are two conservation strategies, one is ex situ and another is in situ. Ex situ conservation is conservation of plants and animal species outside their natural habitat, and if it is inside the natural habitat, in the natural habitat, then you call it as in situ conservation. Here we have to look for the strategy or the option which is for ex situ conservation, right? So looking into the first option, yes, this is ex situ conservation strategy. Yes, this one is ex situ. Biodiversity hotspots, in situ conservation, Amazonian rainforest. This is the rainforest which is richest in biodiversity. This is again in situ. Himalayan region, if we talk about India, one of the center which is richest in diversity, that is Himalayas. Right? So the option which is right for this question 47 is option number 1. So let's move on to the question 48. Now question number 48, phosphoenol pyruvate is the primary carbon dioxide acceptor in which of the following plants? Now if we talk about the two categories of plant, that is C3 and C4 plants. Now in the case of these C3 plants, the carbon dioxide fixation only occur once. Carbon dioxide fixation only occur once, and it is done by the enzyme that is Rubisco, right? So what is going to happen? RUBP, that is ribulose biphosphate. Yes, RUBP, that is the ribulose biphosphate. Yes, it is going to join with the carbon dioxide. Enzyme Rubisco is going to catalyze the reaction. Now if we talk about the C4 plants, here the carbon dioxide fixation occurs twice. Yes, twice. Primary carbon dioxide fixation, this is going to occur in mesophyll cells, and it is done by the enzyme pepcase. And if we talk about the secondary, this is done in bundle sheath cells, and it is done by the enzyme Rubisco. Right? So primary is done by the enzyme pepcase, and here the primary carbon dioxide acceptor is, it is not RUBP. Right? So now we have to look for the right option. If we talk about the PEP, अगर हम PEP की बात करते हैं तो यहाँ पर कौन होगा right answer? The right answer is C4 plants. You might be saying one category of plants over here, that is the C2 plants. तो ये जो C2 plants होते हैं ये C3 plants ही होते हैं. इनको C2 क्यों कहते हैं? क्योंकि इनके अंदर C2 cycle चलती है. Right? So the right answer for this question is option number 2. So let's discuss question number 49 here.